Is he slim?
No, he is fat.
Is he slim?
No, he is fat.
Where is he from?
He is from United States.
Where is he from?
He is from United States.
What did you buy?
I bought some groceries.
What did you buy?
I bought some groceries.
What happened?
It scared me.
What happened?
It scared me.
How long do you study?
3 hours a day.
How long do you study?
3 hours a day.
What do you do?
I am a pilot.
What do you do?
I am a pilot.
What are you doing?
I am dancing.
What are you doing?
I am dancing.
Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
What does she do?
She is a nurse.
What does she do?
She is a nurse.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.